My name's Brad. I'm with BestPriceNutrition.com. Today I'm going to go over a new product that we just got in from Animal. It's something a little bit different. It's not a full protein powder, it's not aminos, it's not a pump product, it's nothing like that. What it is it is a mug cake mix. Now, for those of you that don't know, this brand, Dr. CarbRite, is actually from Universal. It is their non-universal brand. They have low carb bars. I think they have a couple powders. They just came out with pancake mix as well as a couple other things. And one of the things they came out with was a low carb mug cake mix. So as I'm sure a lot of you know by now, I talk about it all the time. I do prefer to do a low carb situation, low carb diet, if you will. The nutrition facts are 150 calories per scoop. And the serving size is one mug cake. It's two heaping scoops. So 150 calories per serving, 2 grams of fat, one of those is saturated, 180 milligrams of sodium, 70 milligrams of cholesterol, 27 total carbs, 3 fiber, less than 1 gram of actual sugar, 18 sugar alcohols. That gives you 6 net carbs, and then you got 7 grams of protein. So how this works basically is it's supposed to be an easy, not really on the go, but probably something for an office, or even like a late night snack that you don't want to get a ton of utensils, cups, whatever dirty. So you thoroughly combine 2 teaspoons of melted butter, 4 teaspoons of water, and 2 heaping scoops of this into a microwavable mug or container. Mix it all up and then microwave for 40 seconds. So I'm going to do that right now. We're going to give a little taste test. Okay, so I'm mixing it up now. Oh wow, mixes very, very easy, gets super smooth. Ooh, okay. Okay, so you saw what it looks like. Gonna bust it in there for 40 seconds. Yeah, just gonna wait now. So, comes out pretty good looking. Okay, so definitely like a brownie type consistency. Well, if you can see that. For what it is, not bad. Hey Jamie. Here, you don't have to be on camera. You want to try this real quick?
Sure.
It's very hot. The whole thing is like 6 net carbs.
Ooh, that's really good.
Yeah, it's not bad. Super
Very good
hot.
consistency.
Mm-hmm. I eat this all day. Give it 3.5 out of 5. If you're looking for something super, super sweet, this is not it. It's not dry by any means. It's really good texture. It's good moisture content. It's just not that sweet, but it's very low sugar, so low carbs. What do you expect? If you're looking for a snack that's very easy, very quick on the go, if you just keep a half stick of butter at work, you could have this forever, because 2 teaspoons is nothing when it comes to butter. So 2 teaspoons of butter, 4 teaspoons of water, 2 scoops of the powder, you mix it all up, microwave it for 40 seconds, you're done. Super easy, super quick, highly recommend it. We're probably one of the first people to have it on our website, so if you're interested, check it out. We may sell out pretty quickly because we only got a small batch in on the get-go, but we do expect this to be very popular because it's very new, so if you're interested, hop on it now. Go to BestPriceNutrition.com to check it out, and we'll leave links in the section below. Alright, thanks guys.